Hey guys, have you noticed something different in my hair?
Nope.
I went from brown to black. A few days ago I decided to dye them because the truth is I was really bored. So here in Germany we are in lockdown at the moment and we can do a lot of cool things outside, so I decided to dye them. That's probably the reason why my friends or my family call me a chameleon. That's the truth, because I really love to try new things when it comes to fashion, when it comes to beauty, when it comes to almost everything. Am I weird? So today I'm finally back to my mini series of my celebrity hairstyle tutorials, and I know you guys get excited when it comes to this type of videos, and I get excited as well, but unfortunately I don't do this type of videos as often because, to be honest, I did not take the time to do it, but that's why I'm here now. I want to change that. Lately I was more concentrated on creating my own online shop and it turned out pretty well, so I also reported it to you on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, just do it so you can always be up to date. This time I set myself a goal and I will upload one video every week, so you guys will see me posting more often, and there are a lot of great things coming, I promise. So after reading all your nice comments under my celebrity hairstyle tutorial videos, I can tell that you guys want to see me recreating I use hairstyles. And this is what I'm going to do today. IU is a very successful Korean singer and I love her voice, and also if you have already watched some of my videos then you know how much I love her. So let's get started! I don't even know if this is the right way, but I just did it. Since I have a very small forehead, it's better for me to have a longer and not so thick kind of bangs. Yeah, I think it turned out well. Let's move on. And that was it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below which hairstyle you like the most, and also which celebrity or even a group do you want me to do next. And I also would love to know if you are interested if I would do this type of videos also related on fashion. Are you interested in something like that? I'm really happy how our community is growing. It's growing constantly, a little bit slowly, but constantly, and this makes me so happy to see, and I'm very, very thankful about it. So keep subscribing, keep motivating me so I can create the best content I can for you. I'm going to say goodbye now, and as I promised, I will see you next week. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye!